2025 is an amazing time to be a creative. Whether you are doing video editing, motion graphics, or graphic design, there are a lot of updates that came out in 2024 that actually made our work a whole lot easier. And today I'm going to be counting down the best of them. Hey everybody, my name is King Sam and I make creative content right here on YouTube. I drop videos for graphic designers, motion designers, and video editors. So you can check it out if you want to. My first pick of 2024, the most important thing that happened this year is the use of AI tools. First of all, the use of AI in creative workflows. AI has gone crazy this year. I have multiple videos on my channel talking about the future of AI, the drawbacks of AI that graphic designers can use. You can check them out if you want to. And companies like Midjourney, Sora, OpenAI have made it so amazing for creatives like us to do things at the fraction of the time. And Adobe actually did something amazing at the Adobe Max event in 2024. They launched the Generative Extend, and this allows editors to extend video clips for up to 2 seconds for seamless transitions. It's going to save editors a ton of time. They also added a generative AI video model directly in Premiere Pro. Just imagine thinking about a prompt or a script scene that you want to create, typing a prompt and letting Adobe generate it for you. Like, crazy, right? I thought they really showed After Effects a lot of love this year by giving it embedded 3D animation support, depth mapping, and advanced color tools. It's a really good time to be a motion designer. This update really helped After Effects to create hyper-realistic visuals and just creating complex animation right here in After Effects. Really easy. You don't need any third-party plugins. And there are a lot of tutorials online showing people how to use the new advanced 3D settings in After Effects. I'll link to some in my video description. Now, we had a lot of motion design and graphic design trends this year, and this is some of my favorites. The first one, hyper-realism in 3D. Think about ultra-detailed, hyper-realistic, powered by Blender or Unreal Engine 5. Like, those were crazy. The second one I'm going to talk about is disruptive retro, and that's just taking a modern spin on a retro or a vintage design, and it's combining past aesthetics with future-forward and future-thinking creativity. Thirdly, experimental minimalism. You can see that with Apple. A lot of their branding is just minimalist. It's simple, it's clean, it's straight to the point. It's amazing. And fourth, we're talking about vibrant colors and gradients. Eye-popping colors with amazing gradients that just convey a lot of creativity and emotion and brings joy to your scenes. And first I'm going to talk about is educational resources and inspiration. A lot of tools have come out this year, a lot of AI tools, and there's a huge learning curve, and every day it feels like something is being released and you're lagging behind. But the good thing about this is that as the tools are coming out more and more, so are more and more tutorial videos coming out about this. The creator space is amazing because as more tools are coming out, more tutorials are coming out, and it can actually help you. There's nothing you want to learn actually that there is not a video about it right now on YouTube. And the inspiration is there. Just pick up your handset, pick up your laptop, sit down and just do something. Watch a 15-minute video. Watch me for an hour. I will love it. Oh, come on, look at this. Tell me that I don't want to see me talk for an hour. 2024 was really a year like never before, with AI leading the way, trends pushing the boundaries of what can be done. And it has never been a more exciting time to be a video editor, graphic designer, or a motion designer, because it's amazing, and the amount of fun you're going to have learning this is crazy. If you want to do stuff like that, drop a sub to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Like, comment down below if you've learned anything, or if you want me to go over any other thing in a future video, and catch you in that video. So from now to the end of the year, I think that's happening like 2 days time by the time I'm recording this video. Remember, do every day, grow constantly, dream endlessly. Happy New Year, everybody. 2025! Woohoo!